Do you think all AI tools are basically the same? Because I used to think that too. I thought every AI is just another version of the same chatbot. But after using them properly, I realized they don't think the same, they don't answer the same, and they are useful for completely different reasons. And honestly, using different AI tools feels like talking to different people. And once you understand that, you start using AI very differently. Take ChatGPT for example. It feels like that one small friend who always has an answer immediately. You ask something and it replies instantly. It's really good when you want ideas, explanation, script, creativity, or even motivation. It just keeps the conversation flowing naturally. But sometimes it can sound confident even when the answer is not perfect. So you still need to think for yourself. Then there is a Gemini. That one feels more connected to the internet and what's happening right now. So if you ask about current news, recent updates, live information, or something that changed recently, it usually performs better there. It feels like a friend who quickly checks everything before answering. And then there is a Claude. That one feels more calmer and thoughtful. It usually responds in a very clean and organized way. It actually feels like it listened carefully before replying, and honestly, that's rare. So, after using all these three, I realized people keep asking which AI is best. But I think that's the wrong question because each one is good at different things. One helps you think faster, one helps you stay updated, and one helps you to think deeper. And when you understand that, AI just stop becoming a tool and it becomes an advantage. The people getting ahead right now are not just using one AI tool, they are learning how to use different AI tools together. One for creativity, one for research, and one for deep thinking. And most people still have not realized this yet. They are still worrying about which AI tool is better while other people quietly using all of them. They are only getting smarter from here.